Oh, teka lang, ibang S-line yan. Yan yung lahat ng Shopback stores at apps na nagkaroon ako ng Shopback the past 2 years. And alam nyo ba, nakaipon ako ng 31K sa Shopback. Well, hindi talaga ipon kasi nagastos ko na. Pero, naka 31K worth of Shopback na ako over the years. And, pwede nyo rin yung gawin. Basta, pag nag-shopping kayo, make sure na you visit the app or the e-commerce store or the website via the Shopback app. Every time you shop, you can earn your money back. At pwede nyo i-withdraw cash ha. So, ako ang ginagawa ko, bini-withdraw ko siya sa aking GCash. Pwede rin siya sa BPI, I think sa bangko, ganun. Diretso. Basta anyway, it's withdrawable as cash, hindi siya points. Cash talaga siya. So, kung mahilig kayo mag-online shopping at mag-travel, before you book anything, make sure mag-shopback ka muna. Baka naman pwede nyo gamitin yung code ko para may tig 100 tayo.